today, Mama Nurse Worldwide is on again. I will still continue to talk to you about cough. There are different types of cough. Some people will say ordinary cough. What do you mean ordinary cough? Well, I may go in line with you. I may say ordinary cough as you are saying. When you say ordinary cough, that means maybe you are just irritated. You started coughing. Drink a lot of water. Things like honey is good if it is pure honey. This health tip that Mama Nurse Worldwide is giving you will go a long way. Please share, follow, and comment. Please share, follow, and comment, because it's not on cough alone I will be talking. I will talk on so many health issues. Like now, if you are coughing, drink a lot of water. I've said that. Drink, you can take warm water with honey. Yes. With medical, we don't like self-medication. Please don't do self-medication. When you do all the home remedies, like raising up your pillow and you feel you are not yet okay, it's good to go and see your doctor. Cough that produces sputum is not all that good to just block it, because when you're coughing and it's producing mucus, it makes your lungs to be free, and it's good if it makes your lungs free, but you wouldn't know how to combat the problem, so it's better to go and see your doctor. Mama Nurse Worldwide is against self-medication. You can do home remedies, in which I'm teaching you. In this video, I'm saying take warm water with honey. You can raise your pillow. Take a lot of water. Those are the health tips for this season. More are still coming.